welcome back to Rangmanch TV, Seen Unseen. So, this segment peru out of the blue. It will be very random questions and some rapid answer will be.
Sure.
So, 5 years back వెళ్తే మీరు ఫ్యూచర్ ఇప్పుడు ఉంది కదా సో దాన్ని ఎట్లా మారుస్తారు?
I would like to change the corona situation which actually hit us.
Okay. So, did you ever travel solo anywhere? If yes, where? And if no, where do you want to go?
No, I haven't traveled alone. But yes, definitely I would like to travel alone. I love doing trekking. So maybe I have to browse a little to get to know the right place for me. But I like to go trekking all alone without anybody.
Nice. Okay, so in the whole year, which time of the year is your favorite and why?
September, because that's my birthday month.
When is your birthday?
It's 25th September.
Okay, nice. If tomorrow was the last day on earth, what would you be doing?
I would be partying.
Partying where? Club Rogue?
Yeah, Club Rogue. There are a lot of other pubs also which I visit. So yeah, definitely one of the good pubs I would be partying.
Okay, nice. Okay, what is the one weirdest thing you've eaten in your life?
Weirdest thing. Why would I eat weird things? Nothing. I'm actually a food lover. I like to experiment. I like to eat different varieties, but I haven't eaten anything weird till now. Maybe I ate octopus once.
Octopus.
Chinese eat them regularly, but I feel it is, being an Indian, I feel it's weird thing.
Yeah. Okay. So how would you describe life?
Life is very, very beautiful with great opportunities. It's just that it all depends on oneself, how you receive it.
Do you have any secret talents?
Now, I'm actually a classical dancer as well. I haven't mentioned any time. I practiced Kuchipudi for like 7.5 years. I've given shows in different states in India. Yeah, but it's not a hidden talent though. Many people know me in the dance, this one. So no hidden talents as such.
Okay. Koncham private question idi. What is your wildest fantasy?
Wildest fantasy, yeah. Maybe this is very, very funny actually on screen. I like to drive bike. And always I have that fantasy to kick somebody when I'm going fast who is there beside me. Maybe that is the wildest fantasy I have. Yeah, that's what I feel. It's very silly though. But yeah, I don't know. I have that urge to, when I'm just driving speed, I want to kick someone who's driving beside me along with me.
Okay. So if you were left alone in a room for 24 hours with the following people, what would you be doing? So then one by one పేరు చెప్తా మీరు చెప్పండి. Tanya Samuel.
Tanya Samuel, she is a sweetheart. She is. We would discuss lots about clothing, styling, dresses. We would talk about pubs. We would talk about parties.
Your crush.
Maybe try to initiate a good conversation.
If you could be a guy for a day.
If I a guy, okay.
What would the first thing you would do after turning into a guy?
I would roam around the entire night the way the guys do in the city.
Okay. Nice. So basically that's the only thing every girl wants.
Exactly.
Yeah. What was the last lie you told anyone?
I think I lied about my age.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the one most attractive thing you find about a guy?
About a guy? Attractive thing in a guy is like, where I would give a second glance is maybe the height and the physique.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక్కొక్క వర్డ్ చెప్తాను అది చెప్పంగానే మీ బ్రెయిన్లో ఏమొస్తుంది అని చెప్పండి. మ్యారేజ్.
Lots of compromises and it's complicated.
మోడలింగ్.
My passion and very interesting for me.
యాక్టింగ్.
Very challenging acting and I want to get a very good name in it.
వీర్ సాగర్.
Amazing friend and a director and an actor.
హైదరాబాద్.
Hyderabad, the place of pearls and spices. Love to be a Hyderabadi.
నేటివ్ ప్లేస్.
Hyderabad.
Okay, so this is hot or not. I'll tell you names and you'll fill in.
Sure.
Vijay Deverakonda. Hot. Naveen Polisetti.
Hot.
Vishwak Sen.
Cute.
Ramcharan.
Not.
Sharvanand.
Not.
Nani.
Not.
Siddharth.
Not.
Sai Dharamtej.
Hot.
Vaishnav Tej.
No.
Okay, with this we come to an end of the interview. Thank you, Mamta ji. for
Thank you so
coming
much.
And gracing us with your presence.
Thanks a lot, Gayatri.
One thing you want to tell your fans about the movie? And
Yeah, definitely. I would like to, please watch Maranam, which is coming mostly in the theaters, or it might be on the OTTs. So please do watch my movie, and definitely, this movie gets a success, ani I'm believing. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So guys, this was an interview with Mamta ji, and you guys are watching Rangmanch TV, Seen Unseen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So ma'am, next my interview ki evarni suggest chestaru?
Ipudu right now I want to promote my movie more, so definitely I would like to come back with my other two co-stars, my favorite co-stars in the movie, who is Harish and Sandeep Kadima. They are also very good artists and been in the industry for a long time, so I will come back with them again.
You surely want to see them on Rangmanch TV.
Sure. Thank you so much. So subscribe and please watch Rangmanch TV, Seen and Unseen.